I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to prove to you that yes, you are a dancer already. You have been doing moves your entire life that are dance moves. You just don't know it. So if you're in musical theater or you want to be in musical theater and you think, I'm just a singer. I'm just a singer. I don't move. Just stick me in the back and don't make me move. I want to prove to you that you are already moving. You are already dancing. And we want to put you in the dance ensemble. We want to drag you in there and make you dance because you're already a dancer and you just don't know it. All right, so the first step, ball change. Ball change. See, I'm just in regular sneakers because I didn't want to even wear dance shoes for this. A ball change, either direction, is just a shift of weight. And you have already been doing this. So what I mean is, let's say somebody is running out the door and you want to catch their attention and you're like, oh, wait a second. That's all it is. It's just a shift of weight. Hang on. Oh, before you go. You have been doing that forever. Okay? That's all that is a ball change, shift of weight. Let's take a pivot step. A pivot step is where you step and you shift and you step and you rotate. Okay, so think about that. You're on your way out the door and you're like, oh, forgot something. Oh, yep, now I remember. That's all you've been doing your whole life. Grabbing your keys and turning, or, yep, gonna go back. You've been pivoting your whole life. You just don't think of it like a pivot. All right, let's say now you're carrying books or a bundle of laundry or something in your arms and something is in the way and you got to kick it out of the way. That's just a step, kick, step, kick. For some reason, if we give it to you in a combination, you're like, wait, what foot, what direction? Just hold out your arms. It's step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick. That's all that is. But you've already been doing it. You just don't know it. All right, let's say you're waiting around for somebody. Oh dear, what is taking them so long? You're shifting your weight. You're getting tired of waiting. And if you keep speeding that up and speeding it up and speeding it up and speeding it up, you're just shifting your weight and you add some arms and you're twisting. You're doing the twist. Yep, you have been doing the twist your whole life. And that's all there is to twisting. Just a shift of weight and swiveling those hips. Okay, that's the twist. Let's say, this always gets me because walking, you can walk, been doing it your whole life, and your arms naturally swing in the opposite direction of how you're walking, okay? Opposite direction. Same as when you're marching. Same as when you're running. Okay, so if we get you to do that with a step touch, okay, your arms will naturally swing in the opposite direction of your leg. But sometimes when we add that in, you want to start like almost going, like your arms want to start, for some reason you're like, no, that doesn't feel natural. But honestly, if you just let your arms flow in the natural direction of things, it's very natural. Just go with the body's natural movement of things. All right. One more, and you're probably thinking, no, I have never done this in my life. A 3-step turn. Out and out. And you're like, that's too dancey for me. Nope. Think about it. Somebody calls you from behind and you're like, what? Oh, never mind. Nobody wanted me. Okay? The other direction. Did someone say my name? Oh, just a mistake. That was a 3-step turn. You turned to your left and then you turned back around. You turned to your right and then you turned back around. That was a 3-step turn. That's all there is to a 3-step turn. There you go. There are some dance moves you've been doing all along, you didn't know it, and now you do, and you could be doing some beginner dance movements. I hope you liked that. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.